When it comes to tackling precise cuts on wood, the right miter saw can make all the difference. In today's video, we'll be exploring the best miter saws on the market, from powerful sliding models to compact designs perfect for tight spaces. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, we've got the tools that will help you work smarter and faster. Let's dive into the top choices for every project. The BOSCH corded dual-bevel sliding glide miter saw is a top contender in the world of power tools, offering a perfect balance of precision, power, and innovation. This saw is designed for professional and serious DIY enthusiasts who need reliable performance without compromising on space. Thanks to its patented axial glide system, the GCM12SD delivers wider crosscuts and better alignment, while saving up to 12 inches of workspace. This feature alone makes it a game changer for those working in cramped areas. Equipped with a 12-inch 60-tooth carbide-tipped blade, the saw handles various materials with ease, making it ideal for woodworkers and carpenters. The expanded cutting capacity, 14 inches horizontally and 6.5 inches vertically, ensures that you can tackle a wide range of projects. Precision is key, and the square lock quick-release fences help keep the cuts accurate, while the upfront bevel controls allow for quick adjustments without having to reach behind the saw. The saw also excels in dust management, with an optimized dust collection system that captures up to 90% of debris, which is crucial for maintaining a clean workspace. Whether you're cutting trim, framing, or molding, the BOSCH miter saw provides consistent, high-quality results, making it a must-have tool for anyone looking to take their craftsmanship to the next level. The DEWALT double-bevel sliding miter saw is a standout tool for anyone in need of precision and power. With a 15-amp, 3,800 RPM motor, it delivers exceptional cutting performance across a variety of materials. What's particularly impressive is the integrated cut-line blade positioning system, which makes for effortless adjustments and ensures cutting accuracy every time, without any hassle. When it comes to capacity, this saw excels, handling 2x14 dimensional lumber at 90 degrees and 2x10 at 45 degrees, making it perfect for larger projects. The tall sliding fences support large moldings up to 7.5 inches, offering versatility in what you can work on. The dust collection system is another notable feature, capturing over 75% of dust, which helps keep your workspace clean and safer to work in. The oversized bevel scale simplifies adjustments, and the 10 positive miter stops ensure accuracy for those quick cuts. Whether you're working on intricate trim or large framing projects, the DWS780 allows for smooth, precise work. We can't forget the miter range, offering 60 degrees to the right and 50 degrees to the left, which gives users the flexibility they need for various angles. At 56 pounds, it's a bit on the heavier side, but its powerful performance and reliable build make it worth the wait. In short, the DEWALT DWS780 is a versatile, durable, and precise miter saw that shines in both professional and DIY applications. CRAFTSMAN cordless sliding miter saw is a standout tool designed to bring both power and portability to your woodworking projects. Weighing just 31.1 pounds, this miter saw is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to transport to and from job sites without compromising on performance. Equipped with a 3,800 RPM motor, the CRAFTSMAN V20 effortlessly cuts through a variety of materials, including hardwoods, baseboards, and 2x-dimensional lumber. Whether you're working on simple DIY tasks or more complex woodworking projects, this saw offers the power you need to get the job done. It also features 9 miter detent stops, allowing for quick and accurate adjustments at key angles, making your cuts both precise and efficient. For those looking for added capacity, the sliding feature enables crosscuts up to 8 inches at 90 degrees and 5.5 inches at 45 degrees. The miter saw is also capable of cutting 3 to 5 and 5/8 inch nested crowns and 3.5 inch baseboards vertically, giving you the flexibility for a variety of tasks. What stands out the most is the LED cut line positioning system, ensuring you have the best visibility for your cuts. On a single charge, the 4.0 amp-hour battery allows for up to 585 cuts in 3.25 inch MDF baseboard, making it a reliable choice for long working hours. If you're looking for a versatile and easy-to-use saw with the perfect blend of power and portability, the CRAFTSMAN V20 is an excellent option. Next up is the Makita Slide Compound Miter Saw, an excellent choice for those looking for power and portability in a compact design. Weighing just 31.1 pounds, this saw is lightweight and easy to transport to and from the job site. The 10.5 amp direct drive motor is a standout feature, delivering a high 5,000 RPM for smooth and precise cuts through a variety of materials, including 2x lumber and hardwoods. It's the perfect tool for both DIY enthusiasts and professional woodworkers who need reliable performance. The LS0815F offers impressive mitering capabilities, with angles ranging from 0 degrees to 50 degrees on the left and 0 degrees to 60 degrees on the right. Positive stops at key angles like 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 22.5 degrees, 31.6 degrees, and 45 degrees make adjustments quick and easy, ensuring you can work with efficiency and accuracy. With the ability to cut up to 12 inches at 90 degrees and 8.5 inches at 45 degrees, it covers a wide range of cutting tasks with ease. For added convenience, the saw features a compact design with an efficient dust collection system, keeping your workspace clean and improving visibility during cuts. The Makita LS0815F is a top choice for those who need a lightweight yet powerful miter saw for their cutting projects. With its precision, portability, and smooth operation, this saw gets a solid thumbs up. Next up, we have the Makita dual-bevel sliding compound miter saw with laser, an outstanding option for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts in 2025. This miter saw combines power, precision, and portability, making it one of the best in its class. This Makita saw stands out with its 10-inch blade, capable of cutting 6 5/8-inch nested crown molding and 5 1/4-inch baseboard vertically. Its linear ball bearing system delivers accurate cuts every time, ensuring the saw performs flawlessly. Additionally, the innovative direct drive gearbox system gives it increased vertical cutting capacity, ideal for tackling various projects with ease. One of the best features of this saw is its compact and lightweight design. Weighing only 57.9 pounds, it's easy to transport between job sites, making it perfect for professionals on the go. The unique 2-steel rail sliding system minimizes the saw's footprint, allowing you to operate flush against walls without losing cutting accuracy. The addition of the integrated laser guide further enhances precision, making it easier to align your cuts. With a range of bevel and miter angles and positive stops at key points, the Makita LS1019L ensures you can make quick and accurate adjustments for every project. Whether you're trimming, molding, or cutting baseboards, this miter saw is up for the job. It delivers a solid combination of accuracy, portability, and durability at a competitive price. Highly recommended for anyone seeking a reliable saw that gets the job done every time.